So continuing with this then, right? Think about what we're aiming for. Okay, so now I've got x in terms of v, okay? But I want to find out how fast it was going when it's travelled 200 meters. So in other words, what is v when it's travelled 200 meters, so when x is 200? Okay, so I could plug in 200 there and then rearrange it. Okay, perhaps I'll rearrange it before. Okay, perhaps I'll rearrange it before I plug in 200 for x here. So I've got an expression for v. Okay, that can be useful, and sometimes they'll ask in the test for an expression for v. Okay, so I won't sub this in yet. I'll just rearrange this. So I'll take that 100 over first and divide. Some times in there, take it over and divide. So I've got that. So then I've got to take e of both sides, yeah? I'll think of taking that ln over, and you do e of that side. Do the opposite of ln, which is e. And I'm left then with 300 over 300 minus v squared. Okay. Now I could be slightly sort of smart with this. I could sort of swap these, couldn't I? Okay. So take that up there, multiply, and take that down and divide. So swapping them. Okay. I can then take that up. So it'll be a negative power. Then it's a case then of just rearranging this. So to get v squared equals, so 300 minus 300 e to the minus x over 100 equals to v squared. So just take that over, take this over this side. So then v squared will equal to this, so we'll factorize out the 300. And of course then v will equal to the root of this. Okay. Now we'll take, obviously it's a positive root, we don't need to put minus there because v is referring to the speed. Now we've got an expression for v in terms of x, so now I can work out the speed when x is anything I'm asked for. Okay, so in this case I'm asked for when x is 200. v will equal to the root of 300, 1 minus e to the minus 200 upon 100. Okay, so in other words, v is equal to the root of 300, 1 minus e to the minus 2. And if you put that into your calculator, it comes out to be 16.1 meters per second.